When do you start to see, notice, and feel weight loss results? If you know the answer to that, it can really keep you motivated. And my third tip is super fun, and I promise it's going to help you keep you fueled and ready to go on your weight loss journey and help you find success. I'm going to talk about all this coming up. Welcome to For Faith Fitness, the #1 YouTube channel for helping you fight obesity. If you're in the middle of that fight, consider sticking around and subscribing because that's all I talk about, and I promise with the right education, you're going to win. Okay, so you can start to see results in a week or two, no joke. That is not just clickbait, that is not getting you excited to watch this video. You really can, but you gotta know what to look for. Okay, so point #1 is that the scale is usually going to be a bad indicator of your initial weight loss. Over the long term, it'll really tell a good story, but initially your hormones are gonna be all out of whack, your water weight retention is gonna be all out of whack, and it tells a horrible story, and then people think they're not losing weight and they think they're not progressing, and so they end up giving up. So point #1 is to not listen to the scale. That is not how you tell you are going to be losing weight. So point #2, when do you start to notice results? It's best to start noticing results with circumference actually, and so that is taking your measurement. I'm gonna leave a good, cheap, you don't need an expensive one, measuring tape in the description below, so you can visit that and purchase that if you don't already have one. But taking a measurement right around your navel, your belly button, so literally putting that thing around you like it's a belt or something, but it crosses right in line with your belly button. Taking that, you're going to start to see these results a lot quicker because it won't be the deceitful scale. Now, the numbers are going to be very small. You might only lose a 1/4 inch, even an 1/8 of an inch, but it feels good because an 1/8 of an inch is a lot. You know, whenever it's an 1/8 of an inch and then a 1/4 of an inch and then a 1/4 of an inch and then a 1/4 of an inch, and all of a sudden you've lost almost an inch, and it really starts to add up and snowball from there. So this is a great way of noticing your weight loss early on. Hey guys, if you're getting value from this video, could you please smash the thumbs up button and let me know in the comments, how long did it take for you to start noticing your weight loss, or how long do you think it's going to take you? All right, the third point, and I brought this up I think at the very beginning, which is that it is a fun one, it's pretty cool, and that is old clothing that is probably too small. You need something that is fixed, so not something with an elastic waistband, so either an old t-shirt that doesn't really fit but it's just barely too small, or some snap shorts or some jeans or something that doesn't have a whole lot of elasticity to it because you want it to be fixed. If you can't really fit into it, then putting that on once a week, whatever that article of clothing is, I'm telling you guys, this has changed some of my clients' life when they feel, okay, I feel this difference. You know, the scale might be saying what it says and it might not, you know, always be telling me that I'm always going down. My measurements are kind of slow, but man, this I feel, and I've seen it in their face. It is encouraging, it is exciting, and it keeps you motivating, keeps you going. So important for your weight loss because really, if you keep going, you will succeed. And this is an awesome way of physically seeing your weight loss. Whenever you put on that shirt and you're like, hey, it feels a little bit different, and you look in the mirror, you can literally see it. And I'm telling you, this happens faster than you think. And the reason I've gone through how the first point was actually the reverse of this video, which is how not to tell that you're losing weight right off the bat on the scale. That's how most people go about it, and then they don't notice it, and then they give up. This point is going to be so key and so helpful for you. So I really hope you can take advantage of that, and it's a golden nugget you can take and impact your weight loss. If you want to know how to see your weight loss results faster and actually increase weight loss, then watch my next video right here on just that topic. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. God bless.